Hi, my name is Elizabeth Head, and I'm a professor of pathology and laboratory medicine. I'm also the co-director of the Center for Aging and Down Syndrome Research. As an investigator at UCI MIND, besides running my own lab, I'm also the leader of the Research and Education component, also known as REC, in our Alzheimer's Disease Research Center. The REC training program aims to provide a foundational training and mentorship opportunity to facilitate bench-to-clinical research and future generation of ADRD researchers. In this episode of Accelerating Discovery, I'll be introducing you to a unique program we have within the REC called RAMP. RAMP stands for Research and Mentorship Program. This program is partnered with the School of Medicine at UC Irvine, where we pair medical students with UCI MIND faculty mentors to complete research projects, but also we hope to inspire scientific ideas and future careers in dementia research and care. RAMP was started with philanthropic support from a local donor, Dr. Lura and from HFC, or Hilarity for Charity, an organization started by Lauren Miller Rogan and Seth Rogan. With more and more people living to older ages, the importance of geriatric healthcare for older individuals is critical. Moreover, since age is the strongest risk factor for Alzheimer's disease and other causes of dementia, we need to have more experts in the care of people living with these brain diseases. RAMP aims to create a pipeline of enthusiastic trainees who choose medical careers to advance knowledge and care for older adults, guided by their experiences and the mentorship they receive. The program is competitive. Selected students work through the summer and then they present their projects at the conclusion of the program and have the opportunity to publish their results in peer-reviewed journals to be shared with Alzheimer's and dementia researchers worldwide. Yes, we've had great successes. So far, we've had 21 trainees and a few have already published some of the results of their projects. The first years were so successful that we used the data from that preliminary program to write a National Institutes for Health training grant, a T35 grant, that we were funded on the first try. The grant is led by myself and Drs. Joshua Grill and Edwin Manucci and is done through a strong partnership, not only with UCI MIND, but also with the UCI Institute for Clinical and Translational Science. This funding has already allowed us to expand the program to now 8 students per year, and next year we'll expand further to 10 students per year. Now, please meet some of the mentors and students from RAMP.
My name is Olivia Yanz, and I am a MD PhD student in molecular biology and biochemistry. My mentor's name is Dr. Melissa Lodowan, and my research is focused on the immune response to a parasite called Toxoplasma gondii in Alzheimer's disease. So I decided to apply to RAMP because I was interested in being part of a diverse cohort of peers who were interested in doing research in Alzheimer's disease and help me focus my ideas and generate these ideas in a way that would allow me to more carefully understand the role of infectious agents such as Toxoplasma gondii. The purpose of RAMP, in my view, is to serve as a catalyst for future projects and for the research of future physician scientists.
My name is Casp. I'm an MD PhD student who is currently participating in the RAMP program. So my mentor is Dr. Elizabeth Head, and my research is understanding fibrinogen brain deposition across the lifespan in Down syndrome. So I decided to apply to RAMP because in medical school we learned so much about how aging is such a great risk factor for all these terrible neurodegenerative diseases. And so I want to gain a better understanding of kind of how researchers are thinking about studying the aging process and kind of understanding how that predisposes us to some diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. RAMP means a lot to me. I really now know that I really want to do research in my future, and without this opportunity I may have not pursued research as much, and now I can really see the benefit it has to really help the human condition in addition to clinical medicine.
My name is Dr. Lorna Carlin, and I support the RAMP program at UCI Mind. My background is a geriatric psychiatrist, and I feel the area has only grown over the years, as well as the need. So I think it's very important to do everything possible to try and support those interested in it. The students are so motivated, and they can work with wonderful colleagues, they can continue with their research, and they're going to help many people, both as a researcher and as researcher clinicians who can also work with the patients.
Hi, I'm Josh Gruhl, the director of UCI Mind. I want to also extend my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Lorna Carlin and our partners at HFC, led by Lauren Miller-Rogan and Seth Rogan, for making the RAMP program possible. RAMP, or Research and Mentorship Program within UCI Mind, links medical students with UCI Mind faculty to give them preliminary experiences in Alzheimer's and other dementia research, and we hope to inspire them to make career choices to join this fight and help patients and families dealing with dementia. Now in its 4th year, RAMP also enjoys NIH support and has matched 20 different medical students with UCI Mind faculty, to whom we also owe a great deal of thanks for giving their time and knowledge in this important program.